Welcome back to Crazy Gamers Games and Model Making. It has arrived, the fourth and final video, and your choice to be the next build along on my channel. It is a 1/16 scale Trumpeter German JagdTiger. It has a length of 657 millimeters, a width of 235 millimeters. It is 1,500 plus parts. You can see some detail down there. It's got some photo etch. And it's got, ammunition, 32 ammunition, wheels and sprockets. The JagdTiger is a common name of a German tank destroyer of World War II. The official German designation was the Panzer Tiger Aus B. The Ordnance Inventory designation was SDKFZ 186. It saw service in small numbers from the late 1944 to the end of the war on both the Western and Eastern Front. The JagdTiger was the heaviest armored fighting vehicle operated Ally used during World War II. Due to the excessive weight, the JagdTiger was continuously plagued with mechanical problems. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside here. It's big. It's on my dining room table again. It's got 3 large boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the camera down to there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And we're going to take a look at what's inside this box. We're going to look at this one first. We got, go out a little bit. Let's see, 1/16 JagdTiger. This is item number 00923. That's for the entire kit. Let us see here. Taped up all the boxes, but I came prepared this time with a pair of scissors. Alright. Let us see what's in here. And lots of sprues. Well, not too many sprues. Alright, we have the hull. The upper hull. It's got a lot of detail on it. Go ahead and take it out of the bag and take a look at it here. Take a look at this. Got the front armor. Got rivet detail, some nice bolt detail. We got some hangers, some brackets. Here's the engine bay, the engine cowling cover bay. I wonder if this is sprue in here. Yeah, that is sprue. That's going to take a lot of cleanup. There's some sprue gates, a lot of injector pins, a lot of injector pin markings. I have to clean that up because this does have a developed interior. I don't know how in-depth it is for a developed interior, but it does say it has a developed interior. Alright, so let's see what else is in this box. It looks like we have the lower section and the tracks. We also have, appears to be some this might be conduit wire for electrical. Not sure. It does have copper in the middle of it. Slide this out instead. Oh, yeah, we got more in here. We have, appears to be 2 different sizes of copper cable. Could be for the tow cables. We have track pins, longer pins, and shorter track pins. And we have the sprockets. It looks like the idlers. Let's take a look at what these sprockets look like. Nice detail on those. You see the detail on them. So they got a little bit of flash, mold seam. I have to clean that up. Take a look at this other section real quick. I see injector pin marks right here. There's injector pin marks in there that are going to have to be filled. And they're sunken. I'm assuming they're injector pin marks. It might have some photo etch that goes around that. I'm not sure. And then we have tracks. A lot of tracks. Let's see what we got here. Here's what the tracks look like. They do have the horns on them. They are not hollowed out. I think they should be. Might have to do that with the drill. It does have the part number written on it. And here's the other track piece right here that connects them together. Back in that bag. If I don't put it back, I'll never get it back in the box. And if you guys don't pick this as the build, then I'll have to store it all messed up. I don't want to do that. So this is the one I'm most excited about because I do have a book that is all about the JagdTiger and how you can make modifications to it to make it more accurate. Alright. No tape on this box. This is box B. That's a tight fitting lid. Wow. Like Hobby Boss. Not Hobby Boss, Special Hobbies. Tightness of the lids. There we go. Oh, I have to do it this way. Alright. Put that right there. So we got wheels. Take a look at these wheels here. There's 3 springs in this bag. This is what the road wheels look like. 2-piece road wheels. There'll be more pieces. There it is. 6 in that bag. And there is 2 in this bag. 2 in this bag. And then there's a photo let's look at in a minute. And then there are 2 more screws in that bag. So we got our wheels there. Then we have, this looks like ammunition for the MG. Slide molded machine gun. Nice detail. Let's take a look at that machine gun. That looks nice. I'm assuming this is for the bow machine gun. For the radio operator. Take a look at that. It's just slide molded. It's got ammunition for it. Nice little, and then another slide molded barrel right here for another gun. This might be the top mounted gun. So it does look like it has multiple machine guns on it. Put this back in the bag. Won't lose any pieces. That's for later. We'll lose the pieces later. Not in the beginning. So watch the video back and try to find them. And then here we got tow hooks, some tools, shovel, an axe, some C-hooks. You know, standard tools, but in 1/16 scale. We have your engine deck covers and your front hatch for the driver and the radio operator. We have various hooks. These are going to be your track hooks, I bet. Your lifting hooks for pulling the turret off. It's like some more tools. The gun cleaning rod, maybe. So that's that. We're not going to open every spring bag. Be here forever. There we got some, looks like some assembly of the breech, maybe. Some of the barrels, some engine parts, or transmission. Could be either one. And here we got torsion bars. Torsion bars. 2 sprues of torsion bars. And And then we have the actual axles that go on the torsion bars, 2 screws of those. And then we have, looks like 4-part ammunition. You have a slide molded projectile, and then you have a 2-part shell with a cap on the end. I don't know if they're going to have, photo etch. Here's the photo. It doesn't look like they have photo etch brass on the end of the rounds. And then there's 2 sprues of that. And then we have rubber. Some rubber hoses and belts and some poly caps, probably for the wheels so you can pull them off, paint it all up. Then we have some pieces, just pieces for things. And this is all going to be just little stuff. There's a driver's seat, or seat, could be the gunner seat. Could be the loader seat, it's hard to tell. And we have more pieces. This looks like it makes up the interior exhaust. And then we have some large, this is the rear plate, I believe, where the exhaust would come out of. It's massive. It's a big kit. Here's some engine pieces. I recognize these to go on the engine. And here we got 2 sprues. This has got your fans on it. These are going to be more engine pieces. We got some hydraulic rams here. We have 2 more machine guns that are slide molded, and some slide molded pieces right here. Some nice fine stuff. The sprue gates all look great on these. I'm not seeing too much flash. And we have another sprue of little pieces. They say 1,500 pieces. We ain't kidding. We got, this looks like some more engine pieces. This is half the engine, fronts of it, the bottom, the oil pan. It's like maybe some exhaust manifolds. What that is. Recognize some of this from my 35th scale. This is going to be your transmission right here. Transmission cover, transmission. And we have some more hatches, exhaust. I believe these may be the barrel cleaning rods, possibly. And we have some grills, the radio communications, some boxy pieces. And then we have, oh no, this is the rear. This is the rear where the exhaust comes out of here. Here's your exhaust covers. These look like your track hangers here. So that's that box. And we got, wow, these plastic bags are slimy. And we got the book. We'll take a look at that in a minute. For me to build this one, I'm going to have to come up with a way to get access to all these screws. That might be a comedy hour right there in itself. Wow, they really packed these boxes tight. Wow, guys, I'm sorry about this. These lids are fitting like insane. It's the only way to get it off. Okay, here we go. Looks like we have some turret pieces. This is your sides of your turret, your sides of your tank there. It doesn't have a turret, it just has a gun mount. There's the mantlet, some skirting. These are huge pieces. Then we have, these look like your outer drivetrain pieces. We have your engine compartment, your watertight compartment, and then we have your two-piece barrel. It is long. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can see that barrel better. Look at that barrel, two-piece. This is going to be part of your interior. You got your machine gunner hatch there. And then we have some more interior, just to bulk out the interior framework. And we have the realistic armor, I believe, bulkheads, gas tanks, fuel tanks. And then we have our floor plate ribs, for the interior. Nice hydraulic arm there, and decals, and some more pieces of this barrel, it looks like. So, well, let's get this back in here. And then we will, I'm going to have to come up with a way to organize these screws so that I'm able to get to them. If you guys choose this build, it's going to be something organizing getting all these screws organized. So we got the decals. See that washed out there. Then we have the two pieces of photo etch. Some really tiny pieces there. Like we need to do some folding. Just the two pieces. Nothing for the end of the round, like on the JagdTiger. We'll come in here and we'll flip through this book real quick. The white balance, it's not going to let me flip through the book. But, here's the color callouts. It does show them to you in Mr. Hobby, Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya, and Humbrol. So that is it. So that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. You guys I'm going to put this video up, and then I'm going to do the voting video, and you guys get to choose on what I'm going to build next on the channel. For Crazy Gamer Games and Model Making, I'm the Crazy Gamer. Have a great day.